Hi everybody, welcome back to Glitterati Glamour. So I had an accident. As you can see, obviously I didn't have an accident, otherwise I would be dead. I have a prosthetic on because it is the start of spooky season. So you know what spooky season is. I am going to be doing, as you can probably tell, a slit throat Harley Quinn. She may have run her mouth, she may have had some problems. I've actually been Harley Quinn's significant others more than once. I have been the Joker from Suicide Squad. I'm pretty sure I did that in 2016. And then in 2018, I was Poison Ivy. I don't have any photos of either, but I thought I looked super sick. I had platinum blonde hair, which I don't know why I was never like, let me be Harley. I always wanted to be her man or her woman, which is fine. And yeah, so I have never actually been Harley. I have done people's makeup for Harley. I have done everything but be Harley. So I thought, let's be Harley with a twist. And honestly, I'm excited. So while I am doing my eyebrows, I will play the clip of how I did the prosthetic and we will be right back.
Here we go. So first we have to clean off our neck, make sure it's good. There's the prosthetic, take off the plastic backing. Then you have to make sure your neck is completely dry. This is crucial. It might not transfer properly. And then you place it on there just like I'm doing. Make sure you rub it in nice and good so it's not gonna be all sticky coming off. Press it down. See, you want to make sure it's on there real good, I'm telling you. Now you grab your bowl of water with a towel or sponge or anything of that kind of sort that you can use to wet it. Try not to spill it like I'm doing. And then just press it on your neck. Make sure every part of it is soaked. Otherwise, it will try and peel off or it will not transfer properly. It might stick to the paper instead. So make sure that you soak the transfer paper. If you want a YouTube video about this, I will link the one I watched in the description below. Next, you can just tear the paper off like, yeah, get there, there you go, like that.
Wow, and look at that, we're back. Can you see? Don't you like how I think I did a voiceover? Pretty sure I did a voiceover. Let me know though. So I have cut my brows, and the more that I thought about it while you guys were watching that amazing video, I think our best bet here is to have a lot of concealer on and a little bit of foundation, my normal foundation shade, my Stay Naked, so we can blend down here, because you can see that it's not totally blended yet, and I just don't think I cut like close enough to the prosthetic. But let's see if putting on a little bit of foundation and seeing what we can do to fix that, because I don't have anything to help us right now. So I'm going to do my foundation and we are going to see how this goes.
Just a by the way, right about here, I am going to be tearing off just little bits that were not blending properly. So I was just kind of peeling it off with my fingers. It's not the proper way to do it, but in case you were wondering what I'm picking at the parts of the prosthetic that I didn't cut close enough to the prosthetic. It's just part of the transfer.
Okay, so I kind of tried to pick at it a little bit. I know I'm not supposed to, but I just wanted it to blend, and I think after putting my foundation on it, it's a little bit better. So now we're gonna do the concealer, and I think this is where I'm going to be the most white. And honestly, I have right here, look at I was all prepared with like special effects cream, which I've had for a year. But I don't think I need it because my concealer is so white that it should be okay. We're just gonna really put it on today. We are a bit of a ghostly looking Harley, which is what, well, she's not a ghost, but she's very white because of the chemical bath, which is just awesome. I'm going to now prime my eyes because I don't want too much going on in the face because we are going to be putting her a couple tattoos here. I'm going to be grabbing my Conspiracy palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and we are grabbing Flaming Hot because she has the red, the blue, and we gotta do it. I will grab this brush and really pack it on. This is the JS4 brush. So there is the red eye. I just used a packing brush and a fluffy brush, and then just right at the very corner used my middle finger to just kind of bring it down a little. Now I'm going to grab my Mini Controversy palette. Oops. And gotta use shade Cancelled. Going in with my JS6 brush, I'm going to be grabbing shade Cancelled. Okay, so I put on eyeliner and mascara. I got a phone call in between, so I had to cut. But I put on eyeliner and mascara. I can't find my lashes that I wanted to show you all that I love so very much. But, so we are just gonna go lashless. Now, I used my Haus Labs eyeliner. Where is it? I used my Haus Labs gel Eye-Dentifying gel pencil liner for my under eye, which I think it looks poppin'. I kind of smudged it to go under my eye because, you know, Harley's always in distress. So now where did I put, oh, here. Now I'm going to do my heart, and we're gonna try and write rotten. Alright, I don't know if y'all just saw that, but my horrible drugstore liner just broke. So we're gonna grab the Haus Labs and hopefully not ruin it like I didn't want to do in the first place. Heart is on. Now to write rotten. How do I write it? Oh my god. Does that look right? Did I do it? Holy crap, I think I did it. It's not perfect, it's not the best, but like it's okay. So now she has a little bit of a darker red, and I think for her lip. This is Jeffree Star Cosmetics' Poinsettia, and I'm gonna drag it. Okay, she has it down on the left side. My philosophy when you're doing Harley Quinn's lipstick, it's okay to be a little bit messy. How are we liking it? I am so happy with this. Like, you don't even know. It's honest to God, you don't know. I love being Harley Quinn, but this hair just isn't gonna kill it for me. I will be right back. I am so happy I'm back. Look at it! Look at it! We have some scab blood. I just bought whatever was at Party City. I don't think this is true scab blood because true scab blood's real chunky. But we are going to grab a Q-tip and I'm going to dip it in. Are you kidding? And to top this off, I'm going to grab a little bit of just normal fake blood. Fun fact, if you've been around since the beginning, on Tuesday, which I believe I'm uploading this on Monday, on Tuesday, my channel, or my Instagram, I guess I should say, will be a year old. Look at us go. Look at us go and growing together. I'm proud of us. Looks like the Joker finally got Harley. Here is my slit throat Harley Quinn look. I am so happy. My heart's a little big and the rotten is a little bit of a mess, but I don't know, I really like it. I really like how Harley Quinn looks. I love the hair. Let me be real. I love the hair. But hopefully you guys like this. If you love it so much, give me a thumbs up. And if you recreate it, tag me. I'm sure a lot of people have done this before or some sort of thing like this before, but I was sitting in one of my lectures and I was like, that is what I'm going to do. So, and it's like, it's simple. I think it looks so sick and I'm so happy that you guys got to see this and I got to do this. I'm so happy. Happy October. Woo! We're kicking it off and I'm so excited. Make sure you subscribe to see what else is coming. I have another video coming out on Friday. Today is a Monday. Another video on Friday. Are you kidding? 2 full-length videos a week. What are we doing with our lives? Come on. Look at us. And if you haven't already, go check out my website. I'm so excited and I'm so happy it's launched. That will be in the description below. And yeah, there's a lot of fun stuff. I have blog posts up. And yeah, I love you all so very much. Thank you for watching. This is similar to the bra that Harley wore in Birds of Prey. So I love you all so very much.